To remove password on Samsung A14, we will need to factory reset the phone. So connect the device to another computer or an Android. This is a mandatory step. Then I will show you a key combination, then we'll do it together. So we're going to press and hold both power and volume down for 10 seconds. We will then release. We will then press and hold power and volume up until we see the Samsung logo for a second, then we will release. So I will begin the key combination in 3, 2, 1. Press and hold power and volume down. Keep these two held down for 10 seconds. So I'll start counting now. 7, 8, 9, 10. Release power and volume down. Now press and hold power and volume up. And we want to see the Samsung logo for a full second. So if it just flashes, ignore that. Keep on holding the buttons down. And we should see the Samsung for a full second any moment now. So there it is. 1 second passed. Release. If you take too long, the phone will turn off. So you just have to keep on holding these buttons and try again. If you don't see recovery mode, it's your cable. So you may need to swap out the cable, get a premium cable as it needs to support data transfer. Now we use volume down and volume up to navigate. And then we click the power to select. So locate wipe data and then click the power button. And then click volume down and click power to factory reset. Now, important note is you have to be the original owner of this phone. As you can see here, it will wipe the password, but you will have to enter in your Google login after the reset.